My name is Amber Rich, and I'll be your professor for this class. I can't believe it. It's spring 2024, and I'm very excited to have you all in class this semester. I think that you will find this Principles of Marketing class will be useful and practical for you no matter what your degree is in. The principles that we learn in this class, things like defining a target market, communicating effectively, problem solving, adapting to different market conditions, all of those things will be helpful for you no matter what your career choice. So I'm excited to have you here, and I think you'll be glad that you took the class. We will be reading a textbook called Applied Marketing, and I will also be filming lectures and sharing them with you every other week. So I know that it takes a little bit of time for you to get your textbooks occasionally, so I will also be posting PowerPoint slides for each chapter of the textbook in the weekly module for this class. So you can reference those PowerPoint slides until you get your book. And I will tell you, do not let the cost of the textbook prohibit you from finishing the class. If you need help getting hold of this textbook, please reach out to me and I will connect with you. I don't want you to drop the class because you can't afford the textbook. So reach out to me before you consider that. And now let's talk about your first set of assignments for this week. Each week, including this week, you'll be taking a quiz that's worth 5 points. And you will also this week need to post in our class discussion board and answer a few questions introducing yourself to your classmates. Also know that beginning on Thursday, I will host virtual office hours where you can come and visit me on Zoom. You can ask questions about the homework, get clarification on things. I can also help you with some career advice. I may be able to introduce you to people who are hiring locally if you're looking for work, or just simply come on Zoom and chat with me. I'm there every Thursday. I provide a link and a specific time on the home page of this class, so check it out, and I would love to see you over Zoom on Thursdays. And I just wanted to say welcome to class. You'll need to look at your new assignments on Sundays. I post a new set of assignments on Sundays, and then you'll have one additional week. So from one Sunday to the following Sunday, you have that amount of time to complete your assignment. So you're viewing this lecture, but know that normally lectures and assignments are posted on Sunday, and you have 1 week to complete all those assignments. So if you have any questions, send me an email, shoot me a note in Canvas. I also have those office hours on Thursdays where you can reach me, and just know that I'm really happy that you're here, and I hope you enjoy the semester. Welcome to Marketing 300.